Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for the opportunity given to us to present our progress project. And today, our group will present a project entitled Cartesian Machine with Advanced Conventional Control. Next. Okay, before we start the discussion, let me introduce our team. Our group consists of 6 members. Under the manager project is a Sir Sulistiono, and our member is Nisawari Ariningrum, Nia Wahdani, Muhammad Firdaus Zafani, Samuel Marcel Sirait, Afif Aditya, and Okan Christian Ronaldo. Next, please. So I will present. So our presentation will have some main topics. The first one is introduction, and the second one is objective of the project. And next, we will explain the team members and their own roles. And after that, we will present the mechanical design and electrical design of the Cartesian machine. And then we will explain the challenge we faced during the project and the solution we applied. And finally, we will share the knowledge and experience we gained as well as our 7-week plans. Okay, next.
Okay. Cartesian machine, advanced conventional control. What is this conventional? What is this Cartesian machine? Cartesian machine is a mechanical system for linear movement on x-axis, like left and right, and z-axis, like up and down. This is a continuous project from semester 1. The project from semester 1, we made Cartesian machine with conventional, like one push button for one motor, change direction by reversing current manually, and and then comparing to the semester 1, we have Cartesian machine with advanced, like four push button for manual control plus automatic mode using limit switch and selector switch to choose manual mode or auto mode. Next to operation manual modes, manual modes uh, use use four button, move linear right, left, up and down, and automatic mode moves back and forth, controlled by limit switch. Okay, next.
Okay, then we enter to the objective. Our main objective is to build a mini Cartesian two-axis machine with 4 buttons for the control. There are 3 key performance indicators that sign our successful. The first is the movement. The machine must be able to move right and left with x-axis and up to down with z-axis. The second one was the control. The machine must be able to control conventionally with 4 buttons as the manual, and be able to control with automatic, with relay and limit switch. The last one is mechanical. The mechanical must be standing strong and firm. Then our development objective, the first one is we change the control system from before is the conventional and now we change into the semi-automatic. And the second one, we make the operation easier and more efficient. The third, we add limit switch for auto movement. And the last one, we learn mechanical based design and basic automation. Next.
Team role and responsibility. Nisawari as project leader. Responsibility, time management and scheduling time coordination and stakeholder management, oversee documentation and finally report. Nia Wahdani as project PC. Responsibility ensure integration and testing run smoothly. Coordination between mechanical and electrical teams. Okan and Firdaus as mechanical. Responsibility 2D and 3D design. Cutting, assembly, frame alignment. Ensure striker is strong and frame. Afif and Samuel as electrical. Responsibility design control circuit and wiring, installing button, selector, limit switch, and relay. Testing manual mode, auto mode, and troubleshooting. Next.
Okay, let's talk about our project flowchart. As you can see, we start with project planning and system analysis. Then we create the mechanical and electrical design. After the design is completed, we do mechanical fabrication. Once the mechanical feasibility check is passed, we install the electrical system. If both manual and auto modes are running correctly and the installation is safe and proper, we process to finishing and wiring teething. Then we do the final product testing. If any step fails, we go to troubleshooting and repeat the necessary step. Finally, when the all tests pass, the product is finished. Next, please.
Okay, this is our mechanical design. We add an acrylic base with 50 centimeter length and the width is 450 centimeter. So in front of the Cartesian machine, there are 4 push buttons to control the machine manually, right, left, up, and down. And beside the push button, there are a selector switch to switch mode from manual to auto. Bottom of the base, there are 4 legs as stability and to adjust the push button terminal. And then the last, behind the Cartesian machine, there are panel box. There are where the relays, omega rails, and terminal were placed. Okay, next.
Okay, electrical design. The electrical we use selector switch, 4 push button, 4 limit switch sensor, and 6 relay and 2 motor. Manual mode use 4 push button to move linearly right, left, up, and down. In automatic mode, it uses 4 limit switch sensor to move the linear top, right, bottom, and left. Okay, next.
Okay, now let's look at our project progress. We have successfully completed the project implementation plan, mechanical design, and electrical design. Currently, we are working on the base machine assembly, which is 70% complete. After this, we will move on to manual wiring, followed by trial and error testing, and finally, the finishing stage. Okay, will be explained by my friends.
Challenge and solution. Our biggest challenge was that components such as relays, limit switches, etc. were not available yet on the campus. This happened because many groups are using the same components, but the components are limited. This makes our progress slower and also delayed our mechanical assembly and wiring. To solve this, we focus on design, documentation, and planning while waiting. We will continue assembly once the part arrives. Next, please.
Okay, now we enter to the knowledge gains. The first, we were understanding the use of AutoCAD and SolidWorks to the mechanical design. And the second, we also solving problems to create a basis for the base. And the third, we teamwork and project management skills. The fourth, we understanding how relays and limit switch work for the wiring. And the last one, we understand the electrical wiring diagrams. Next.
Okay, now let's look at our 7 weeks plan. This is our timeline for the next 7 weeks. Week 1, we will continue mechanical assembly, and week 2, we will continue the mechanical. In week 2, we will focus on manual wiring, and weeks 3 and 4, we will automatic wiring, and week 5, we will start to testing base, and week 6, we will troubleshooting and finishing, and the last, week 7, we will complete the finalization. Next.
So this is our current result. You guys can see that the mechanical is like 70% done because right side yet, and then and the electrical also not installation yet. Next. Next. So I think that's all from us. Thank you for your attention, guys, and see ya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.